Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in previous video we did how you will install the Roblox, right? So if you have any doubt in that you can ask me in the comment section, okay? So in this video we are going to learn about how you will use all these templates. Okay, so these all are the templates for your project. You can use any one of them. Okay, suppose if you will see the template, we have a base plate, we have a classic base plate, we have a flat terrain, we have a concert, village, caster. So according to your choice, what you want to create, what is your project theme, which project you want to create, based on your choice, we can add all these templates. Okay, see, we have all these templates over here. If you want to create a new project, we need to just click on the new button. By using new button, you are able to create a new project. After that, we have the next part. What is our next part? My game. Means whatever game you will create. So if you want to again open that game, you will get your my stuff inside your game. You will get your stuff. Recent means what is your recent project. Even if you will delete any project, you will get that project inside your archive. After template, we have a themes also. So in the theme, you will get some theme about your project. In the gameplay, we have a gameplay. So see, this all are the templates. Suppose for our project, we want flat terrain. So you need to just click on that. Once you will click on that, it will open. Okay, so this is the Roblox Studio screen. Over here, as you can see, you have your flat terrain. Suppose in your project, you will require a flat terrain. So you need to just select on that. After that, suppose if you want to add any object in your flat terrain. So as you can see, if you want a new file, so in the file section, you will get new file, you will get open from file. If you want to open any Roblox project, you can close, you can save your file, you can save to the Roblox account, means whatever you want, you can do. After that, we can create any object here. Like suppose in the part you will get block, spear, wedge, corner wedge, sign. Suppose I want to add the block. Once you will click on that, you will get your block here. See this one. And this block you will get inside your terrain part. So here we have a some option. As you can see, if you want to select this block, you need to just click on this select. If you want to move your block, you have to click on move. Where you want to move this? So here we have our x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So wherever you want to move, you can do that. After that, we have a scale. Scale means you can enlarge your block or you can shrink your block. See, okay? So whatever size you want, you can change the size from here. See, this is the size. Okay. So with the help of scale, we can increase the size or decrease the size. And with the help of move, you can move your blocks. Okay. After that, we have a rotate option. Even we can rotate. See, you can rotate your block. See, whatever you want, you can rotate like this. So here you will get everything whatever you want to create. So first you have to select some template. In that template, whatever you want. So suppose in the part we have our another thing, which is the spear. You will get your spear. So for this spear, if you want move, if you want to scale, you can add. See, you can increase the size or decrease the size based on that. So this is the part. With the help of part, we can add whatever we want. After that, we have some models here. If you want to add the vehicle, you will get which vehicle you want. Suppose I want to add this sport car. So you need to just click on that. You will get your sport car. See? So we can add anything whatever we want for our project. So in this video, this is just a basic about how you will use your Roblox studio. So from next video we will create a small games. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much.